Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Today we're going to show you how to replace a drum and a Brother MFC-8860 printer. First thing you're going to do is open up the front door here. You push on the little button, the door comes right open. Then you're going to take out the drum and toner together. Once you get that out, there's going to be a blue tab on the side of the drum. You're going to push down on that little blue tab and lift the toner out of the old drum. We'll set the old one off to the side. We're going to get our brand new Onyx brand drum. And inside of every Onyx brand drum you will get written instructions on how to replace the drum. Alright, so now that we got our new drum, we're going to reinstall our old toner into the drum, making sure it clicks into place. Once your toner's in the drum, you're going to want to, there's a little blue tab at the top of the drum. You're going to want to move that tab back and forth about 2 or 3 times, making sure that the tab winds back in the same place it started. You want to make sure the 2 arrows are pointing at each other. Once you do that, reinstall the toner and drum inside the printer. Make sure it's fully seated inside the printer. With the door open, you're going to push the clear back button. It's going to say replace drum. You're going to place 1 for accept. Once you're done with that, you close the door, and just like that, you're back up and printing.